Welcome back to Club of Readers. Today, we continue with one of the most powerful personal finance books of all time, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. In Lesson 2, titled Why Teach Financial Literacy, the author shares a truth that can literally change your financial life. Do you know why some people become rich while others stay stuck in money problems, no matter how hard they work? The truth is, it's not about how much money you make, but how much money you keep. Today, let's learn a life-changing lesson from Rich Dad, Poor Dad that even kids can understand. The big secret. Imagine you have two buckets. You keep pouring water into them. One bucket is strong and holds the water. The other has a hole and water keeps leaking. Money works exactly like that. Rich people know how to keep money flowing into the right bucket. That's called an asset. Poor and middle-class people often put money into the leaking bucket. That's called a liability. What are assets and liabilities? So what's the difference? An asset puts money into your pocket. For example, a small shop, rental house, stocks that give dividends, or even a YouTube channel that earns money. A liability takes money out of your pocket. For example, a big loan for a car or an expensive house that you keep paying for every month. Rich Dad kept it super simple. Buy assets, not liabilities. That's the number one rule. Why most people struggle. Most hardworking people follow the same cycle. They get a good job, their income rises, and then they buy a bigger house, a new car, and fill it with new furniture. Sounds nice, right? But all these are liabilities. They take money out every month in loans, taxes, and bills. Soon they are stuck in the rat race, working harder and harder just to pay bills, but never feeling truly free. More money doesn't solve the problem, because without financial knowledge, the money just disappears. A simple truth. Poor people only have expenses. Middle-class people buy liabilities they think are assets. Rich people focus on building assets. That's why the rich get richer, while others struggle. Think of money like planting a tree. At first, you need to water it and take care of it. That's like saving and investing in assets. But one day the tree grows strong and gives you shade and fruits. That's financial freedom. So the lesson is simple. Learn financial literacy. Focus on assets. Make your money work for you. Whether you're young or old, this lesson applies to everyone. Don't just work for money. Make money work for you. That's the real secret of the rich. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more powerful lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. See you in the next video.